Couple little bait fish swimming around, but nothing big. Down at the river mouth down there, there's a slide. Bit hard to say how old it was though, because it's pretty windy today. The slides in the sand. Oh, a rock. Fantastic. I better let him go. It's definitely a good place for the crocs to come up out of the ocean, escape the wind. Hopefully I don't bump into one. I'd like to see one, but maybe from a little bit of a distance. I don't want to tread on one. Mate, the rocks are on the chew today. That's all I'm catching, rocks. All right, that'll do me. Geez, I think if Jase ever writes a fishing guidebook, I'll be sure not to buy a copy.